So, good morning guys. Napakaganda, matingkad ang kulay. Parang yung ganda. Ako'y nabighani. Napakaganda. So, our lure for today guys is this one. This is a jig. So, this is a 30 grams jig. Look at that one. Yeah. 30 grams jig in red, yellow. Oh, it got hit. Yeah, look at that one. The hook sharp. This is 2 pieces. Yeah, bought it in Timo. Yellow and red. Yeah.